show you how to go in and change the action. So we opened up the photo here. We can come back and see the actions here. Say you didn't want to save this, you want to do another step. You can always delete this out. So you can hit the delete button here. And now it's just going to resize it. If I click on this and hit play, you'll see the image size down. So it took that original photo and sized it to 1080. I'm going to undo that with Command Z. And now let's say I wanted to resave it again. So what you can do is you can run that, click here, so the next action, and then click record. And now if I do Command Option S save, and let's say I call it whatever I'm saving it as, and save it as a WebP file, and then if I click save, it's now going to create that action again. And so we could do, maybe we want to do higher quality this next time we run through. Just click that, click OK, and now when I stop, it's going to have that new save as 75 quality. And I took out the 50% quality that was there before. So that's how to do that. We're going to back up. I'm actually not going to use this action. We're going to create a new action for 1920 pixels wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to create a new action. So you click the plus, and we're going to call this 1920 WebP contractor banner image. So we'll record that, and now when we do size the image here, instead of doing 1080, we're going to do 1920 wide. Click OK, and then we'll save it as a WebP, and we'll come back to our other folder where we had for additions, and we'll create a new one here called 1920 WebP. And so what this does is these images will be better for use in a banner image, so horizontal across the top, like a hero image on top of the website, and then we can pick from one of these, and we can actually size the height later, but that's kind of the idea. And then we'll save this at 50%. Actually, I'll drop down to 30 because this is going to be a bigger image, so we want to keep it a little smaller. So we'll do that. Now we have that new one saved, and we'll hit stop, and we'll run in here and do automate batch. And we got the new action now. You can see our old action still there, but now we're on the 1920 pixels wide. Choose a folder that we want to run these actions on. Click choose, and we'll call this additions. Choose where we want to save those. We're going to find that folder that we just created, the 1920. All right, so we choose that. Come on, computer. Come on. Come on, there we go. All right, so then click OK, and now it's going to run that action that we just created, the 1920. So if I come into additions, go to 1920, you'll see they're all popping in here. They're going to be a larger image, but again, we're sizing by 1920. So now we can use those all there for the website. And now this website will load a lot faster. We'll have better images to use. And so if you like this video, like below, leave a comment what type of photos you are trying to optimize, what websites you're building, what type of projects you're using that you need to use Photoshop, and you're editing a bunch of photos at once. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you like this, leave a comment. We'll try to create more videos like this. Thank you for your time. Bye.